Hi, Captain Pablo Escobar. It's your big day. My best wishes and my prayers on your special day. Happy birthday, Captain Pablo. God bless you.
Hey Cap, many happy returns of the day. Wish you all the best for the coming years. Wish you a smooth sailing. Wish you all the best.
Happy birthday, Captain Paulo Arcamo. Matik na. Wish you good health and more blessings to you and to your family. We kabalo man may doy nga maayo kang tao pero ayaw lang kay palabi og hikay doy. Gamay lang. Konting salo-salo lang, konti. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Captain Paolo. And see you soon. See you later pala.
Cap, happy birthday. Hey, Cap.
Ayun, we are here now at Banana Island and we're waiting for the bus and see you later, Captain Paolo. Bye.
Happy birthday, Sir Ka Paulo. God bless. Keep safe always. Salamat.
Hello, good morning. Birthday dahil sa muli ko dari si Captain Paolo. Wish you good health and God bless.
And more blessings to come. Happy birthday, Cap Paulo.
Happy birthday. God bless. Ingat kayo lagi dyan. Sir Paulo Arcamo, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you, Captain Paulo. Happy birthday. Birthday, Captain Paulo. More blessings to come. More birthdays to come. Stay healthy always. Take care always and to your family. God bless you, Cap.
Hello guys! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, Captain Paulo! We wish you all the best!
Barkada, birthday ngayon ni Captain Paulo. Ano masasabi mo, Barkada? Greetings na Barkada, at saka...
Pugi ka.
Okay, mo.
Happy birthday ka, Paulo. God bless and more blessings to come to you. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Doy, greetings Doy.
Happy birthday, Captain Paulo.
Paulo, happy birthday. Wish you all the best. More birthday to come.
More ahead.
Bra, birthday man ni Captain Paulo karon sa imong special message para sa iya.
Hi Cap, happy birthday Cap. Wish you good health to you and to your family. God bless. Thank you.
Cap, happy birthday. May the best wishes to you and to your family. Stay healthy and more birthdays to come and blessings to come. Thank you very much. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Captain Paolo. I wish all the best and stay healthy. Enjoy your day. Once again, happy birthday.
Good afternoon, Captain Paolo. Happy birthday. I wish you all the best.
Happy birthday.
Jan. Thanks, Greetings. Greetings, Samuel.
Happy birthday. Sailing in Banana Island.
Happy birthday, Captain Paulo Arcamo. Happy birthday to you. I wish you all the best.
Thank you. Happy birthday again.
Wow! Ganda ka na pala. GoPro ni Sir.
Shout out. Thank you guys. Today we will celebrate on his birthday. Thank you for your effort and support for making a small video greetings. Thank you very much. Thank you guys and shout out all of you.